Okay. So today, what we have decided is that we are not going to talk much on what is an HR, and let's not go to the basics. Now, today, what we have thought about is let's look at some real life situations and how, as an HR professional, Vrishali is handling such kind of customers. So this is what we have thought about, and I think that will make a lot of sense to our audience. So this is what we are going to do, Vrishali. Let me give you one. Example of a company and how is that you handle that situation. Okay, so we are talking about a mid-sized chemical company which is having more than 300 employees in the employees. And basically what was happening is that in that company there was a lot of iteration happening. So like somewhere around 15 to 20% was the iteration. That means people were leaving the jobs and going.
Correct.
So when this client came to you, what is that you found out about the client and what is the solution you offered to them?
Okay, so at Regatta, normally when such kind of situations come or such kind of client come with a problem statement to us, we normally do HR audit there, and we find out. So HR audit is something where we can find out what are your current practices and policies going around. Secondly, what could be the benchmark or what is the industry best practices are going around, and the gap is helpful to identify the exact problem. So as you mentioned that people were not there is a lot of attrition happening. So attrition happen only when there is a less amount of engagement with the work, either with the work, with the culture, or with the people around you. So that is when people are start leaving. So it has a lot of aspects. So when we did HR audit, we found out that the salary compensation what they were getting was not as per the industry standard benchmark, or locally whoever was working working in that domain were getting different salaries with a better compensation as compared to the current organization where people are working. Secondly, the HR policies were not clear in terms of what where the grievance is there, how to address the grievance, how we can give suggestions to our managers. So these are our small issues where the employee felt disengaged with the workplace, and that's how they were leaving. So when we found out these these gaps, we provide solution to the client saying that let's relook at your HR policy, specifically compensation policy, where we can identify what exactly the parameters that we can achieve. Obviously we cannot say that raise everybody's salary in a one go. We can't do that, and mid-year increase is also not possible. But yes, market correction is one of the solution that we have given it to them, which helped retaining productive employees of there, and making everybody at par. Secondly, we had a communication policy under which we explain employees that just because you are leaving or just because somebody else is getting higher salary, here in organization we will not be able to give you that much of salary. But we showed them a growth path in the organization where if you stick to us with 2 years 3 years, where you will reach. So that was a communication and that was a growth plan we have created for them. So these were the two solutions which were very effective, which has cut down their attrition by 10%, I would say.
Oh, wow.
And they continued working, and yeah, that's how we design solution for such kind of problems.
That's really amazing that you and what I highlight here is that HR audit. See, basically, many times business owners do not know that HR is an important aspect. Okay, so they feel कि क्या ही करना होता है, हायर करना है, उनको काम देना है, वो तो हम कर ही सकते हैं, वो तो हम एम्प्लॉइज को देते ही हैं. पर जब ऐसे सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं कि जब लोग छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, हमें पता नहीं चल रहा क्यों छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, और जब हम एग्जिट इंटरव्यूज भी कंडक्ट करते हैं तो उन लोग क्या बोलते हैं, अरे नहीं मेरे को अलग अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला, पर लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम था वो नहीं बता के जाते. सो HR audit is a real good eye opener for them to understand.